Тренуємо природний рух думки. Будуємо живу зв'язну відповідь через 7 простих кроків. Ці кроки – сходинки райдуги. A better way to handle it is, what might help is, the first step is to, from there you can, it also helps to, that way, so yeah, that will probably make things. A better way to handle it is to say come, is to ask first, is to slow down. I just want to respond right now. A better way to handle it is to wait a bit first. I don't know how to deal with this. A better way to handle it is to keep it simple. What might help is writing it down, asking someone, taking a short break. I keep getting stuck here. What might help is doing it one step at a time. I can focus today. What might help is taking a short break. The first step is to understand the problem, to ask a question, to stay calm. Where do I even begin? The first step is to understand what the real problem is. How should I start? The first step is to ask the right question. From there, you can move forward. You can decide what to do next. You can build on it. Okay, so I understand the main idea now. Good, from there you can work on the details. So once I do that, what next? From there you can decide what needs to change. It also helps to stay organized, to be honest, to ask questions. Is there anything else I can do? It also helps to write things down as you go. How can I make it easier? It also helps to keep the process simple. That way you stay focused, that way it feels easier, that way you save time. Why should I write everything down? That way you won't forget the important parts. Why should we do it step by step? That way it's easier to see what's working. So yeah, that will probably make things easier, help a lot, make it clearer. Should we make a simpler plan first? So yeah, that would probably make things easier. Maybe we should talk about the main issue first. So yeah, that would probably make things easier for everyone. A better way to handle it is to slow down and look at the real problem first. What might help is breaking it into smaller parts. The first step is to figure out what's actually going wrong. From there, you can work on the things at a time. It also helps to keep the plan simple. That way, nothing gets too messy or confusing. So yeah, that would probably make things easier. A better way to handle it is to not react too fast. What might help is taking a step back for a minute. The first step is to get clear on what the issue really is. From there, you can decide what to do next. It also helps to ask the right questions. That way you don't waste time on the wrong thing. So yeah, that would probably make things easier. I don't know what to do with this problem. A better way to handle it is to break it into smaller parts. Should I just react right away? A better way to handle it is to think for a minute. I keep getting stuck here. What might help is doing one small part first. I can focus on this today. What might help is taking a short break. Where do I begin? The first step is to understand the problem. How should we start? The first step is to ask the right question. Okay, I see the main issue now. From there, you can work on the details. So once I fix that part, what's next? From there, you can test it again. Is there anything else I can do? It also helps to stay calm. How do I make this easier? It also helps to write things down. Why should I do it step by step? That way you won't miss anything. Why should we keep it simple? That way it's easier to manage. Maybe we should make a simpler plan. So, yeah, that would probably make things easier. Should we talk about the main issue first? So, yeah, that would probably make things easier for everyone.